Did you know that our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, is racing towards us at 110 kilometers per second? At this incredible speed, Andromeda will eventually collide with the Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years. Imagine two massive galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, slowly merging together. Don't worry, stars are so far apart that actual collisions are extremely rare. Instead, the galaxy's shapes will be distorted, creating spectacular cosmic fireworks of star formation. This cosmic dance reminds us how dynamic and ever-changing our universe is. In a few billion years, the sky will look completely different from what we see today. Space is full of wonders. Subscribe for more journeys through the cosmos.